सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तां हमारा, हम बुलबुलें हैं इसकी, ये गुलसितां हमारा. Children, you must have sung or listened to these lines of famous poet Muhammad Iqbal. And like everyone else, you must have dreamt of making our country the best country in the world. But often ask, how? How can we do it? Well, one way of doing it is to follow civic sense. Now, many of you will ask, what is civic sense? Never heard of it. So, today we will discuss in detail exactly what is civic sense and why is it so important and how we can practice it. But before we start exploring and analyzing civic sense, I would like to acknowledge and thank our visionary Madam Principal for her immense support and huge encouragement, and applaud her for her pioneering work in the holistic development of Sicilians. Madam Principal's latest initiative of conducting motivational sessions for students is in line with our school's motto, education for knowledge, wisdom, character, and courage. She is our beacon of light, leading us all onto the path of excellence by her extraordinary leadership and devotion. Respected Madam Principal, coordinators, and their fellow teachers, parents, and lovely, young, energetic, our students, our Sicilians. I, Ranjit Kaur, hereby present my views on the topic civic sense and how it can benefit our society and our country at large, and how we can contribute in making our country the best country in the world. So, let's start by watching a video.
सिग्नल रेड होने के बावजूद अपनी गाड़ी को जबरदस्ती घुसाने का टैलेंट मिस्टर सेल्फिश स्टूपिड में. बहुत टैलेंटेड है हम इंडियंस. कितना कूद कूद के भरा है टैलेंट हम. एम्बुलेंस से आगे निकलने का टैलेंट. कोई मर रहा है तो मरने, तो हमें क्या. लाइब्रेरी में जहां शांति होनी चाहिए जोर जोर से बोलने का टैलेंट. और 10 बजे के बाद भी लाउड स्पीकर बजाने का टैलेंट. और कोना देखते ही अपना थूक देने का टैलेंट. गाली देकर ताली एक्सपेक्ट करने का टैलेंट. किधर से आया इतना टैलेंट हमारे अंदर? सिखाया किसने है ये? पर जिधर से भी आया है अब उसको रवाना करने का टाइम आ गया है. बहुत हो गई ये नॉनसेंस, रियली. अब सीखनी होगी सिविक सेंस. और इस भ्रम में मत रहो कि कोई देख नहीं रहा है. पूरी दुनिया जानती है कि हमने सिविक सेंस को कितना लाइटली लिया है. सुधर जाओ, इसके पहले कि देश की इमेज बिगड़ जाए. प्लीज सुधर जाओ.
I am sure the video must have set you thinking. Now, most of us are born with 5 senses and very few with the 6th sense. But no one is born with the civic sense. Though a child has an inherent ability to speak, but words and languages are taught by parents and teachers. Similarly, civic sense too has to be taught and inculcated in the children from an early age. Let's now try to define civic sense. In broader sense, it is the unspoken, unwritten rules or norms which are followed to run the society smoothly and which makes living together friendly and pleasant. It is a sense of respect, duty, and responsibility towards each other. It is a common sense that is to be followed by everyone in public. For example, not littering, spitting, or urinating in public. Civic sense shows how civilized and responsible a person is. It is not just about keeping roads, streets, and public property clean, but also about respecting the law and point of view of others and maintaining healthy atmosphere in public place. Now, see a video made by one of our school students.
रुक जाइए, ये आपने क्या किया? गुटका ही तो थूका है, रोड वाले साफ कर देंगे ना। अरे रोड वाले लोगों को और भी काम होते हैं। आप अपनी दुनिया को, अपने इस रोड को, और ये आपकी ही दुनिया और आपका ही रोड नहीं है, ये हम सब लोगों का रोड है। तो आप इसे अगर हरा भरा सुंदर रखेंगे तभी तो हमारी दुनिया आगे बढ़ेगी। अच्छा।
Now, civic sense is made up of two words, civic and sense. Civics is derived from the Latin word civicus, meaning related to citizen. It is a study of rights and responsibilities of citizens in society. And sense is to think or act in a reasonable, sensible way and to understand the value of something. Children, let's watch few examples of civic sense, and while watching, just keep thinking in your mind whether you follow it or not. Well, basic example of civic sense in our everyday life is keeping our surroundings clean by using the garbage bins and by not littering on the streets. Next, following the traffic rules for smooth running of vehicles on the road and preventing accidents and traffic jams. Stopping on red light and crossing roads on zebra crossing. We should not create a nuisance by shouting at someone. Planting a tree is a prime example of civic sense. Children, another example which is very critical and important, and my favorite, is to help elders in our family and in general. It could simply be by helping them cross the road and guiding them, offering them seats in a bus, metro, or in park, taking them out for walks and spending quality time with them. One more example I want to discuss with you all, which is rarely followed, is waiting in queue for our turn. Lot of us try to break the queue, resulting in commotion and chaos. Waiting in the queue saves time and energy. We should not tease animals or throw stones at them. And if you have pets at home, must take good care of them. Like us, even animals understand the language of love, affection, and care. Now we come to magic words like thank you, excuse me, please, and sorry. We should say thank you if someone helps us and sorry in case we disturb someone. These words brings magic into our life and relationships. Similarly, when we interact with others, we should be polite and courteous. We should always wish our teachers and elders. One of the most common mistakes people make is to spit on the road or wherever they feel like. This is just not acceptable in any civilized society. Similarly, we should keep our parks, playground litter free. Remember children, more clean they are, more fun it is to play. Do not leave an area or a space dirty after using it. And children, we must also make it a habit to keep our room and cupboards clean and help our parents in keeping our house clean. Cleaning our house is the foundation for keeping our environment clean. Children, one line we keep hearing is that India is not as clean as many other nations, but instead of criticizing, we should make an effort to clean it. Another thing we can do is to reuse and recycle the waste. Some people use garbage to make manure, which is then used to cultivate plants. Isn't it wonderful? And of course, one of the most important aspects of civic sense is to keep yourself clean and maintain personal hygiene. It helps us feel fresh and energetic and also prevents us from contacting diseases. I'm sure most of you love traveling and seeing new places, but one thing we should always remember is to carry a spare bag to collect all the wastes like empty packets, empty bottles, etc. We are not only responsible for our cities but also for places we visit. After all, India is our country, isn't it? Never do pushing or pulling. Never burn waste as it causes pollution. And always put garbage in a garbage bin. Children, you must be wondering how to practice civic sense at school. So let me give you few examples. Firstly, students should help keep classrooms and playgrounds, school buildings clean. Use the dustbin to put waste. During the class, if you want to ask any question, raise your hand without shouting and wait for the teacher to respond. And no student should bully or fight with fellow students. Respecting your teachers and school staff is another thing which you must follow. Always be polite with everyone in the school. Students who are polite and well mannered always have maximum friends and everybody loves them. Students, I would love to share words of wisdom which important world leaders have said. India's father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi, was very particular about sanitation, and few of his famous quotes are: sanitation is more important than independence. Cleanliness is next to godliness. Similarly, 35th US President John F. Kennedy famously said, ask not what your country can do for you, ask what you can do for your country. Now, see the benefits of following civic sense and its impact on society and on our country as a whole. One of the important and most visible benefit will be all round cleanliness inside and outside our home, which helps in preventing many diseases like dengue, malaria, diarrhea, and of course, corona. Next is feeling of security, which we and our fellow citizens will have. Just imagine every citizen being well mannered and following the law. Would there be any fight among us? No. Another benefit is ease of doing work. And children, if we all follow the system, we also save time and energy, leading to productivity increase, which in turn leads to economic and social development of the country. And last but not the least, it gives us mental peace and feeling of contribution to our society and our country. The true joy in life is not receiving but giving. In the same way, if we don't follow civic sense, it leads to disorders in our society like vandalism, diseases, wastage of time, pressure on government, road rage, and racism. As you know, the biggest threat to people around the world is corona, because of which schools, offices have been closed and we all have to take online classes, and there are only two ways of preventing spread of corona. One is vaccination, another is following civic sense, that is wearing masks, keeping distance, keeping hands and face clean, avoiding crowds, and staying at home. Such a deadly virus can be countered by following civic sense. That shows the power of civic sense. So, children, let's take a pledge to follow civic sense in letter and spirit. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I shall always try to be worthy of it. To my country and to my people, I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity. Children, if we all follow civic sense, then I'm sure dam damadam damkega India, cham chama cham chamke. Thank you for watching my presentation. Stay home, stay safe. Children, now I conclude my presentation with an interesting video. Hope you enjoy it.
अब उठो देश के भाग जगाने हैं हमको, निर्मल निर्मल कुछ गीत रचाने हैं हमको। अब कोना कोना जगमग जगमग होना ही है, अब ठान के मुट्ठी कसने की ही बारी है। स्वच्छता की ज्योत जागी रे, स्वच्छता की ज्योत जागी रे।
दम दमक दम दम दमकेगा इंडिया, चम चमक चम चम चमकेगा इंडिया।
अब उठो देश के भाग जगाने हैं हमको,
निर्मल निर्मल कुछ गीत रचाने हैं हमको। अब उठो देश के भाग जगाने हैं हमको,
निर्मल निर्मल कुछ गीत रचाने हैं हमको।
बनकर धारा बहना है हमको डगर डगर,
बसती बसती गांव गली और हर एक नगर नगर।
स्वच्छता की ज्योत जागी रे,
जागी रे जागी रे, स्वच्छता की ज्योत जागी रे, जागी रे ज्योत जागी रे।
जगमग जगमग सी ज्योत जागी रे,
स्वच्छता की ज्योत जागी रे। दमक दम दम दमकेगा इंडिया, चम चमक चम चम चमकेगा इंडिया।
जिद पे आ जाए देश मेरा फिर देखना तुम, कोना कोना जगमग जगमग होना ही है।
जिद पे आ जाए देश मेरा, देश मेरा, देश मेरा
फिर देखना तुम,
कोना कोना जगमग जगमग होना ही है।
अब ठान के मुट्ठी कसने की बारी है।
हर दिशा दिशा का मुखड़ा छप से धोना है।
स्वच्छता की ज्योत जागी रे,
स्वच्छता की ज्योत जागी रे, जागी रे ज्योत जागी रे।
ओ स्वच्छता की बरखा आ गई रे,
स्वच्छता की ज्योत जागी रे। दमक दम दम दमकेगा इंडिया, चम चमक चम चम चमकेगा इंडिया।
सूरज को स्नान कराना है, धरती को भी नहलाना है। जो मन से निकले उमड़ घुमड़, उस नदी को आज बहाना है। स्वच्छता की ज्योत जागी रे, स्वच्छता की ज्योत जागी रे,
स्वच्छता की ज्योत जागी रे,
जागी रे जागी रे, स्वच्छता की ज्योत जागी रे, जागी रे ज्योत जागी रे।
जगमग जगमग सी ज्योत जागी रे,
स्वच्छता की ज्योत जागी रे। दमक दम दम